Hey, congratulations. You are well on your way to getting your very own total tax diagnosis report. It's coming. It's going to be loaded with beautiful answers. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Before you get it, there's just one small step I need you to take, and it's going to be filling out a form so that we can get this information from the IRS. We actually have to have your authorization from it. So you have been given a link, or you have been given a document, an IRS Form 8821, and that has been filled out with our information. There's some things we need from you. So take a look here, right here, where I'm highlighting right now. You're going to need to fill in your name and address right here in this box. And you can print this, by the way. It does not have to be typewritten. And here in this box, put your social security number. We don't need to know your daytime phone number. The IRS doesn't, and there's no plan number. This right here is now all. This is checking my box. This is checking a box here for appointees. Check here for a list of additional appointees if attached. And so if we go to the next page, we're going to see that. Here's everybody here. These are all the wonderful people at my firm, all superstars right here. So those are your additional appointees along with yours truly right here. That's our address. If you ever feel like stopping by, feel free. And this is the tax. And then below here, we have what we're going to represent you for is your income tax, 1040. We want just 2000 to 2018, just because, it's to be as overbroad as possible. And then we have civil penalty as well, where you don't have to fill out anything here in specific tax matters. That just leaves empty. And then the other box I'm going to be checking. Now, check box 4 does not get checked because we're looking for general information, not a specific use. Our CAF number, that's the IRS's way of saying Central Authorized File Number. That's what is that allows us to access this. Allows us to everything. So this is for something really not applicable in this case. And then box 5B, we check here no, because if we checked yes, if we don't check it, that means the IRS will send you all notices that they send us. If we had this check for everybody who orders the TTD, we would not be able to walk into our office in the morning. So for our clients, people who hire us for representation, yes, we get the copies of all those notices that we want. But for this, at this point, we do not get copies of it. If you do have a notice and you do want us to have a strategy session with something that's going on, that's always something you could purchase later on if you have unresolved questions when you get your awesome TTD report. Box 4 is not checked, so we skip this line. If we take a look at 6, we skip this line. Now we get down to 7, signature of taxpayer, signature right here where that X is, and then you'll date it here, and then you'll print your name here. Again, doesn't have to be typed, and then don't worry about title. If for some reason, if you are married and your spouse is, it would be a good idea to have your spouse sign the same one. So just print it out again, different information. And now, with that completed, if you would want to, if you do not have access to a scanner or a fax machine, this is the address you'll want to send it to right here. Anthony E. Parent, ESQ, 144 South Main Street in Wallingford, Connecticut, 06492. Otherwise, you can email to ttd@irsmedic.com, or you can fax to 203-269-0385. That's it for now. This is what we need. As soon as we get it, it's going to be about 2 weeks until you get your lovely total tax diagnosis report, just like this. In the meantime, we're going to be sending you some updates, and there's a lot of information that comes with this, and we could easily overwhelm you. So we want to sort of give you some bite-sized information. So be sure to check your inbox, check your spam folder, and make sure that you're getting all the messages from us. With that, good luck, and we look forward to getting this problem behind you.